Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's breaks number 761. We're opening a 2-box of Upper Deck Ultimate Collection 13-14 hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended June 12th at 10:29 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 2:25 p.m. Saturday, June 13th. That's Eastern Time, local time, Toronto, Ontario. Our first box number is 221, 149, 362. Second box number is 221, 144, 975. We've got 4 cards per pack, 1 pack per box, total of 2 boxes to open. Small adjustment here. Here we go. First box, 13-14 Ultimate Collection. Okay, a little tricky box here, but once you know. Open. Here we go. 1 pack. Cool empty box. A couple of pads here. Deck of cards. Oops. First card, Jadicurdy for Kings. Base card out of 499. Small adjustment here. Make it a little cleaner. There we go. Ultimate Rookies. Jason Messianen. Sorry about that. For Rangers out of 499. A little protective pad here. We've got a redemption card. Okay, what do we got? Charlie Coyle. Get closer. Okay, so we've got Ultimate Rookie Auto. Card number 169 out of 99. Player's name, Charlie Coyle. Okay, we'll just put that aside for the end of the break. We'll go double check on Upper Deck checklist. Next card, Ultimate Jerseys, Ed Belfour for Toronto. That's our first box. Let's just put this aside and do a second box. Just like to mention, we got 4 box breaks ending tonight between 9 and 10:30 p.m. We've got some Ultimate Collection identical to this one. We also have an SP Game Used 13-14. Got some Panini Crown Royale and a Ultimate Vault from ITG. Okay, so 1 pack, empty box. Just put it here. There we go. Extra careful. No rush. There we go. First card, Nazem Kadri for Toronto. Base card out of 499. We've got Quinton Howden for Panthers. Ultimate Rookies. And we've got an Ultimate Signature card. Adam Enrique for Devils. Beautiful card. And Hampus Lindholm. Rookie patch out of 100. For Ducks. Okay, we'll do a quick recap, but before we do, we'll just gotta go on Upper Deck here. Let me just get it out for you guys. Ultimate Collection, Ultimate Rookies Auto. Rookie. A lot of them. Late edition, patch variation. Ultimate Rookies. Autographed Ultimate Rookies. There we go. 169. Charlie Cole. Wow. Okay, let me just bring you here so you can see. The checklist. Okay, so card number 159 right here, Charlie Coyle, Minnesota Wilds, rookie auto redemption card. So card goes to Minnesota. Okay, now as promised, let's do a quick recap for hits. So Ducks gets Hampus Lindholm, beautiful patch, rookie patch, debut threads out of 100. We've got a Adam Lennicki signature card. Quentin Howden rookie out of 499 for Panthers. Base card Kadri, jersey card for Toronto at Belfort. Got Jason Messianen for Rangers rookie, and a base card Jari Kurri out of 499 for Kings. So that concludes our break number 761 of 2 box of Ultimate Collection 1314. Don't forget our box breaks tonight. My name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.